How long does it take for me to see results with Facebook ads? I get that question a lot, and in this video, I'm going to answer it. Before getting started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the icon to receive a notification every time I release a new video. So basically, the short answer is it depends. But of course, I haven't recorded this video to give you that answer, right? So basically what I'm going to tell in this video will add a lot of value to you, or at least I hope it does, right? So you should start by defining results. It's a very, very broad question that cannot be answered right away. So what are results for you? Is it tied to revenue? Is it tied to profitability? Is it tied to something else? Probably you want to double your sales. Probably you want to increase the AOV. So the word results is super broad and you need to define that. So let's say you say, Brian, um, I want to get 100K in revenue, right? Okay. So have you ever run Facebook ads in the past? If the answer is yes, then it will be easier for you to forecast uh, moving forward because you'll have past data to base your next moves on, right? But if you haven't, then hey, you will need to consider the following variables. You will need to test creatives, right? The ad creatives, whether videos work well, images, what kind of videos, what kind of message people want, what kind of images. You will need to test the audiences. Who is your ideal customer? Because you might say, oh, it's easy. My ideal customer is people who wants to buy my dumbbells or who wants to buy my clothing. Yeah, of course, every brand can say the same about their customers, but how will you target them in an effective way that will be cost efficient for you and will give you a profit on Facebook ads? That's a different story. What hooks you have here to find them? For instance, you can think of what websites they like, what influencers they follow, what tools do they use if it applies, or what things they do, what other brands they like that are relevant and niche and for your, business, right? And many other things. So you have the variables involved, right? So right now you have to define the goals, the revenue target, the profitability you need. You have the variables to test. So you will have to put together a plan to test and assess results, right? That's what you will need to do. So you will have probably the first month, if you haven't done anything in the past with Facebook ads or a long time ago, you will need to spend probably the first few months to test and assess results. And if you have, you can take the latest results and you can plan with that. So if you, for example, had purchases for $50, then you can assess that to start off with. More or less, you will have the same. So a goal could be to lower that in the future or to increase the AOV. So you will need to add more ingredients into the funnel so you can actually increase the AOV and even the lifetime value as well. So some resources that will help you with this. One is the revenue calculator. I will leave in the comments below, and also I will leave the link to the video you can check out when you finish this one, which is about defining the or how to target the ideal avatar or your ideal customers, right? And the third one is how to structure the ad campaigns for success and scale them up once you're ready. So you have these three resources you can check so you can move forward successfully. So if you have liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.